So I just wrote a post. I just posted an article, and I'm going to show you. I think the title is about 11 things you need to be successful. The keyword being successful and online. Yeah. So I'm going to explain how I intend to distribute this now. Just hold on. So according to what I have here, the first place I'll be posting it is YouTube, and I'm going to write a description, just the highlights, the 11 factors, just the highlight of them. Then I'm going to put a link to the article because I'm going to write an article and post it on my website. So this will also drive traffic to the web page. Then this will give people information about what is in the video so that they can just wait and watch it, or use this link to read about it. Then link to other valuable resources on the web page also. So the next place is on my website. I'll be posting the article on my website. Now I'm going to embed this YouTube video as a link in the article, then write the full article, then link to ebook download. Now I have a section on my website where you can download free ebooks. So I'm going to make this article, convert it into an ebook also, then make it available on this page where I have the free ebooks. So there's going to be a link where you can visit the ebook section and download this particular article, nice designs and everything, for free. Let's continue. So we've talked about posting it on YouTube first, then on my website, and the third place is on my Facebook page. So I'm going to post on my Facebook page, write the description with the highlights of this 11 keys, then make sure I use hashtag, then a very good title, a very good image, of course. And so then one thing I'm going to do is to boost it for traffic. So it means after posting the video on the page, I'm going to boost the post for traffic, and I'm going to direct the traffic back to this web page link. It means it's going back to this web page link where there's the YouTube video already and the description. Are we together? I'll be right back. My rice is burning. So I was lucky the rice wasn't burning actually. So the next phase is the LinkedIn. I'm going to post it as a LinkedIn article. Post the article as a LinkedIn article, embed the video that's already in YouTube using the YouTube link. Then include the article on the website, exactly as it on the website. Please include the article like that. Then include the download link where you can actually have access to all this free ebook, and tell them you can actually get this particular 11 key resources to succeed online from this link on LinkedIn also. Hold on. So the next thing is to actually now share on my Twitter. I'm not that active on Twitter, so I'm just going to share this, either this link or this link or this link, because all these are going to generate link for me. I'm going to share it on my Twitter page and on my personal Facebook page also. Now, one more last thing. So the other thing I can do, the last thing I can also do is to promote the video from YouTube, promote it on YouTube using Google Ads, because Google owns YouTube, so it's connected. If you want to promote a video on YouTube, you have to use Google Ads, Google AdWords. So I can actually promote the video also on YouTube to get more views and a whole lot of other things. So I'm still considering that this actually, because I don't want to be spending money here, then spending money here. It's just an article, but the essence of this video is just to show you how you can write one piece of content and have it go viral on multiple platforms. I hope you get the I hope you get the scope now, and if you need any other assistance, do let me know. So the sole objective of the video is to just show you how you can write one piece of content and have it go viral on a whole lot of platforms. Spending little, probably to boost this for maybe 5 days, you might not spend much, up to $10 or so, but it's going to be on all platforms relevant, so that if any of this comes up on Google or any of the search engine, your content haven't saturated through all these platforms. You have the opportunity to actually be invited for probably guest host, or you have more comments on your website, a whole lot of other things. So this is just one way that you can actually make the content go viral. All right.